Hi friends, so this is the question based on reduced incident matrix. We need to find out the number of trees those can be formed from the graph. Okay, so the question will be asked in this way. So a reduced matrix is given below. Find out the number of possible trees that are formed by the graph. So this is the question. So reduced incidence matrix has been given to us. Now our job is to find out the number of trees. So the formula for this is the formula for this one is reduced incident matrix, and we need to find the transpose of this reduced incidence matrix, and later we need to find the multiplication of these two, and then we need to find the determinant of A transpose, of course A into A transpose. So we need to find the multiplication of this. So for this problem to solve, we should definitely have the knowledge of matrix multiplication, and then det. Of course, we need to find the transpose also. So these things we will discuss in today's class. We will see. First, I want to show you how we need to find the det. So as we know, here A transpose. Okay. Actually, we have three rows: one, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So this is called 3 by 6 matrix. 3 by 6 matrix. So okay, let us move forward and we will see A transpose. So what does it mean by A transpose? Transpose means the matrix which was formed by transforming rows into columns and columns into rows for the matrix. For example, if we want to find A transpose, so we need to we need to interchange the rows and columns of matrix A. Then that matrix is called A transpose. So let us see how the A transpose will be. So obviously these are the things. So we need to convert rows into columns. So this is my column. So I want to convert this column into a row. So that is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Next 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 0. Next minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0. So that's all. So this is A transpose. So as we know, now it has 3 columns and 6 rows, 4, 5 and 6. So I can call this as 6 by 3 matrix. So for matrix multiplication to perform, A into A transpose. So definitely if it is in 3 by 6 and it is in 6 by 3, D3 will get, same. So it will be finally 3 by 3 matrix will come. Okay. So that is the concept. So let's move on to the next page, such that we need to find the 3 by 3 matrix. So if I have considered A into A transpose, and this will be equal to, so this will be equal to in this way. So now we need to perform the matrix multiplication. So please understand this part. Matrix multiplication is very easy. So we need to consider the row of the first matrix and column of the second matrix. Okay, then we need to multiply them and later we need to add them. So first we have one conformation such that we have 3 by 3 matrix. So this is 1, 2 and 3, and this is 1, 2 and 3. So to find this 1 1 element, we need to have first row of first matrix and first column of second matrix has to be multiplied correspondingly, and then we need to add them. So please understand here, I will let you know how to find this. This is 1 into 1, so the value will be 1, plus this one 1 into 1, the value will be 1, plus 0 into 0, so the value will be 0, plus 0 into 0, so the value will be 0, plus 0 into 0, so the value will be 0, plus 1 into 1, so the value will be 1, which is equal to 2. So this is the answer. So let me write this answer here. So similarly, let us move on to 1 2 element. So 1 2 means first we need to consider first row of the first matrix and second column of the second matrix. This one. Okay. So 1 into 0 is 0. Let me write here 0, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Next 0 into 1 is 0, plus 0 into minus 1 is minus 1, and 0 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 0 is 0 again. So this will be equal to minus 2. So write minus 2 here. Yeah, here 1, 2, 3, fourth element. So fourth element is 0 into minus 1, so it will be 0 only. It will be 0 only, so the value is minus 1. Okay, this is a small mistake, so let me correct it. Yeah, so this will be minus 1 only. That's all. So now let's solve one more thing. So yes, so now let me solve 1 3 element, that is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, and 1 into 0 is 0. So 0 into minus 1 is 0, 0 into minus 0 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into minus 1 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. So that will be equal to minus 1. So now we will consider the first row of first matrix and third column of second matrix. Then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, and 1 into 0 is 0, and 0 into minus 1 is 0, and 0 into 0 is 0, and 0 into minus 1 is 0, and 1 into 0 is 0. So it will be equal to minus 1. So let me write minus 1 here. That's all. Okay, now let me consider the second row with all columns of the second matrix. Okay, let me consider the second row of the first matrix with all columns in the same manner. So please try to follow me. So this is starting with 0. So 0 into 1 is 0, plus minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Let me write here. It will be minus 1. And 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is again 0. So it will be minus 1 only. Now the second row with second column. So 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. And plus 1 into plus 1 is plus 1. And minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. And 0 into 0 is 0. And 0 into 0 is also 0. So this will be equal to 3. So similarly, second row and third column, 0 into minus 1 is 0. So minus 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, and minus 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into minus 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0 over. So it is minus 1. That's all. So this is for the second row. So for getting the third row, we need to follow this. Yeah, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Yes, so minus 1 into minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Next 0 into 1 0, and minus 1 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, minus 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 is 0. So it will be minus 1 only. Similarly, next one, minus 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into minus 1 is 0, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, and 0 into minus 1 is 0, minus 1 into this part, minus 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, so it will be minus 1 only. And the next one, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, 0 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, and 0 into 0 is 0, and minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. And 0 into 0 is 0, so this value will be 3. So this is the matrix we have obtained. So now our job is to find the det of this matrix. Now to find the det of this matrix, so modulus of A transpose is equal to, so this is the matrix. Now we need to find the det of it. So 3 into, so please try to identify how to find the det. 3 into, let me take one more color. So 3 into, so just leave this row and this column, and now find the det of this. So how to find that? AD minus BC. That is the formula for that. If it is A, B, and C, and D, so det of this matrix A is, let me take this matrix as B, then det of this matrix B, sorry, modulus of B is equal to AD minus BC. Okay, so this is the det. So now it will be 3 into 3 is 9, minus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. And we need to take minus for the second element. So let me go ahead with the second element, minus of minus 1 into, so I am talking about this element. Okay, same procedure, you forget about this row and this column. Now the items are minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus of minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, so it is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 into minus 1, that's all. Now the third one is Yeah, this is the third one. So forget about this row and this column. Now the items are these things. This one into this one. Similarly, minus this one into this one. Simple. So it will be minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 1 minus of 3 into minus 1. So it will be plus 3. So which is equal to 3 into 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 8 is 24. So it is minus 3 and minus 1 is minus 4. So minus into minus into minus. So it will be minus 4 only. So it is already 1 plus 3 is 4 into minus 1. It will be minus 4. So the final answer would be 24 minus 8. It will be 16. So 16 is the final answer. So the number of trees. Let me call it as T. It will be 16. So this is the answer. So please try to recapitulate your matrix knowledge. So everything has to be explained here except the inverse. Okay, A transpose have to be explained, and then multiplication, after that det. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please type in the comment box so that I can give you the reply. Thank you so much.